Hey guys, what's going on? This is actually the day before my video goes up, but I'm gonna put this all in the video. So Kraftwerks has literally sent me all of this stuff, man. Holy crap. Kraftwerks hat. I mean, there's so much in here and a lot for you guys too. So we've got a Kraftwerks shirt, another Kraftwerks shirt, a Grams Performance and Design hoodie. Got a beanie here. Kraftwerks for the win. Kraftwerks koozie. I've got some keychains for you guys if you guys want to rep the Kraftwerks keychain. Got those. I have got 3 different decals in here. All of this seems to be top-notch quality, guys. Another decal. This may be a bigger one, side window decal possibly. This is really cool, and I haven't actually opened this all the way up, but this is a Kraftwerks banner that's probably going to go either in the garage or my recording room. This is unreal, guys. This is so cool. It looks like another kind of lanyard with a keychain. So there's that. Tons of lanyards, you guys. Holy lanyards. Look at this. This is awesome. And then we've got 2 little paper license plates here, probably for shows. This, I think it's just one of their little things, but yeah, guys, holy crap. This is like everything I could even hope for with a sponsor. This is absolutely nuts, guys. So holy crap, this just tells me right off the bat these guys are awesome. They didn't have to send this. There's honestly lots of money in this box, and they just gave it to me. So this is absolutely mind-blowing, really. And I want to show you guys one more thing. Here's the envelope to Jeremy. Hey Jeremy, welcome to Kraftwerks Performance Team. We are sending you a welcoming package and we hope you enjoy it. Once the process is complete, we will set up your personal discount codes for our site to share with fans. We also included swag items for your giveaways. Enjoy, Kraftwerks USA team. Thank you so much, guys. Originally, we made this video yesterday. I didn't open everything out of the boxes. I didn't want to get everything disorganized, really, but I've basically come to terms that this is going to be installed here in my garage, so I figured I'd go ahead and open everything up for you guys. None of this would happen without Holly. I told her yesterday she is literally my biggest sponsor. So everybody drop a comment below, give Holly a big thanks. She is the best wife ever. So the first thing here, this is going to be our oil cooler kit. So this is our Rotrex SX150 synthetic hydrocarbon with performance additives. That's right here. So that's going to be our oil to feed the gears in the Supercharger. What is this? It's kind of a filter. Okay, this is our magnetic inline filter. I don't know why it says automatic transmission. I don't know if that matters or not, so that's something I'm going to have to ask Kraftwerks, because I'll be the first to tell you I do not know anything about this. This right here looks like our banjo fittings, couple other little bolts, clips, washers in here. Like I said, I don't know what all this goes to yet. I'm going to set that down. This is some kind of pump. I don't know if this is the pump that's going to send the oil to the head unit. I'm not 100% sure. Also got a little part here, possibly something, I'm assuming, for mounting. So let's pull this out. Here is some rubber tubing. This is going to be for the oil cooler. Got some information in there too. Alright guys, so this, I don't want to pull it out of the packaging, but this is the oil cooler. Very small, which is pretty nice and compact. Doesn't weigh a whole lot. We're going to put all this back in the box. Close that up. This is our oil cooler kit. Right here, one box down. Go ahead and get the head unit out of the way, guys. So I'm going to open this up for us. This is the Rotrex head unit. I'm going to pull this out of the box and come a little closer to the camera because this is what I've been waiting for. Alright guys, so here's our head unit. Nice and capped off, keep dust and all that out of there. There's the turbines. Freaking awesome, I'm so excited about this. Here's our instructions right here. Very in-depth. This is going to help tons with the install. So we're going to be using that as a guide to get us through this. This is our Supercharger drive kit. Alright. So we've got pulleys in here. Alright, so that's going to be the pulley that's going on Supercharger itself. We've got the belt in here. We have got, what is this? I don't know if this is a new crank bolt. I'm not entirely sure. We've got another pretty large pulley right here. And then obviously the belt tucked in here all nicely. I don't want to mess that up. Now we've got, oh wow. Now we've got here the ATI Super Damper. This part in and of itself is actually pretty pricey. We're going to open this up. Oh yeah, got two ATI stickers in here. That is nice. I'm actually going to move this real quick. Sorry guys. Alright, if you guys can see that. Got some bolts in here, I don't want to lose that. Alright, so that's our hub. Here's the damper itself, guys. I'll bring this a little closer to you. So this is the reason we're going to be pinning the crankshaft, I'm assuming. So I'm going to put this back in the box. This is going to be our reservoir kit right here, guys. Let me go ahead and open this up as I throw it around everywhere. Alright, like I said, I'm trying to keep this clean as possible. Lots of stuff in here. I don't want to pull this out, but I think this is where it mounts. I think this mounts up to the radiator bracket. There's that. Nothing really special about it. It is what it is. Feels like great quality though. So literally everything in here feels like good quality. We've got our intercooler right here, guys. Got our brackets down there. That's a really nice intercooler. This thing is super thick. Tool accessory kit. So this is basically going to go over the snout of the crankshaft, and this is where we will be pinning it. There's that. Engine management. Alright, so here we've got our grams performance injectors. Also got a set of NGK TR6 spark plugs, which is actually what I'm running now, but I'll probably go ahead and put the new ones in and just go ahead and start fresh. So that's that. This right here is a hose kit. Go ahead and open that very carefully. I don't want to go cutting into hoses. Yeah, so this is literally just all the hoses. I think this is the upper radiator hose, really nice silicone hose. Got some clamps in here. All that jazz. Cool deal, man. By the way, Kraftwerks, everything is packaged extremely nice and neat. This one's heavy. What's this? Oh, our bracket kit. So this is going to be the bracket for the Supercharger. Should be done. I don't have a lot of room over here to work with, guys. So, tons of good foam in here. One bracket, two bracket, lots of brackets, but you can't see it in the bubble wrap. I'm not going to take it out, but this, well, you know what? I'll pop it open for you guys. This is going to be the bracket, wow, that is going to house the head unit. We're going to put it back in here. Really, really nice. Looks like there's a tensioner on there. But basically all this in here, guys, is all brackets. I just want to show you guys the main bracket. And we've got our charge pipe. This is the last box in here. So, yeah, let's go ahead and open it. Oh, yes. Yes. This is beautiful. So here's our filter. I'm going to keep that out, but oh, I'm so excited. Some of our piping, very tough stuff. Yeah, this is all piping. So, put this back up. The best I can, without juicing anything. Alright guys, well that's it. This was a very, very, very quick unboxing video. I'm on my knees right now, I'm just gonna waddle over here, but very quick unboxing video. Just want to show you guys, it is here. I think we're gonna try to do this at the house. I really think it's gonna go down, so I'm a little scared. I really am terrified, so comment below guys, give me some courage, motivation to get this done by myself. I've never done anything like this, so I'm extremely scared. I'm not even gonna lie to you, I'm freaking out. So I think if we follow the directions, everything should go well. By the time this video goes up, we will probably already have started working on the car, so stay tuned. I'm gonna give you guys some updates on the Facebook page, so that way you guys don't have to wait until the next video for everything to go up. But that's it guys, I want to thank you all so much for making all of this possible, for supporting the channel, for supporting me. It's huge, we're doing big things, it's absolutely amazing. But that's it guys, I'm gonna leave it at that. I will see you guys on the next video, probably on the verge of having a heart attack, so oh my god, pray for me y'all. I'm literally terrified, so. But that's it guys, everything's here. I will see you guys on the next video.